Say you deleted some important photos and zip files from a folder. Sure, you could still dig them up from the recycle bin, no problem. But what if you went and emptied the recycle bin too? Then panic hits, right? Like, is there really no way to get those files back now? No worries, Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Fire up Bitwar Data Recovery. On the home page, look to the bottom left, click the Recycle Bin Deletion Recovery option. Next, under Lost File Types, check both pictures and zip files. Hit Scan in the bottom right, then wait a bit while it runs the scan. Once the progress bar is done, the software will pull up all the data that was in the recycle bin before you emptied it. On the left, there are 3 main categories. Pick one to narrow down your search. The right side shows all the file details, and you can even click the preview button up top to check the recovered files. See these? That's the zip file and the photos I need. After previewing, select M, click the Recover button in the bottom right, then choose a custom folder on your computer to save them to. Done. It'll say successfully recovered 2 files. Go check that drive folder. They're all there, no missing parts at all. That's the magic of Bitwar right there. Be sure to subscribe to us for more software tips and details. You won't regret it.